Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you all? This is Flo reporting from the village. Today is the funeral of one of my relatives, and as a way to support them, my family were preparing some food that we'll take there. So we're going to cook jollof rice, swallow, that's semo, with bitter leaf soup. I heard my mom talking about preparing ofaku with white rice, but I don't know if that's still part of the plan. Yeah. So she invited some caterers to help cook the meal because it's a large quantity. They prepared everything about the rice. Yesterday they fried the tomatoes. I couldn't film it because it was so dark. Let's go and cook the rice. These are the spices they use to cook rice. Spices and tomato. Ooh. What is this one? Dejima. Coriander mixed spices. Ooh. And now guacuco. Get the time. And they cook Cameroon pepper and rice. Okay, this one is for bitter leaf soup. What else is here? Thyme, paramount all-purpose seasoning. Hey, and now guacuco. For you. Okay, for you, tomato stew seasoning. Hey. Then no. I noticed that no is very popular with caterers. For you, chicken seasoning. For you. Because no. Chicken flavors, kitchen glory chicken flavor seasoning powder. And then tin tomato paste. If you follow me on Facebook, you will know that there was a time we had so much discussion about tomato paste, and some people even say that some tomato paste do not contain tomatoes at all, that they use soy powder. Some people said they use all-purpose flour and coloring. So we started digging and we found that majority of tomato paste has at most 28% tomato concentrate. Some of them don't write how many, but we found that majority of them have 28%. I don't know if they write 28% because it's the requirement or if it actually contains 28%. Yeah, a lot of people are claiming that some of these tin tomatoes do not contain tomatoes at all. And when you come here, they write ingredients, only tomato and salt. How is it possible that you have 28% tomato concentrate, yet you're telling me that the only ingredients in this are just tomato and salt? This one is known as centrata. Okay, it's a scent, but you're not declaring everything in your tin tomato paste. Anyway, what else is here? Nothing else. We have manners after here. Now, you people see that thing I do. You fry it with enough oil, then you pour out the excess. See that oil? Onu di ibe. Ị gọ na alụ. O yemi o ha sana asa.
Go sachafu.
Oh, go sachafi. They're adding salt. They say it helps wash off the, I don't know, any preservatives or chemicals. Starch. Okay. So it's to remove starch, the salt. Yeah, it's rising. So they cooked it for a total of 17 minutes. Let me check my test for rice. You see? Cut it with my fingernails. That is my test. And it works all the time. Cooling it down at the same time to stop the cooking process. Yeah. Rice nina ya Bible. Okay, and we can stew for the second one. Okay. Dindi ha.
Very. Very.
It's not bay leaf here. Get good at it. Akwụkwọ gova. Bay leaf. Bay leaf. Bay leaf nagolo. Kesi la gweke. Anya kunu je ki ebo. Oya ga na ju anya.
Okay.
Anya kunu.
Enene no.
You could see them my problem. What do you late? She won't care. Only about 5 minutes issue. Okay. Oh, nah, so this is the real sound of koto koto. I want to add more rice. That comes to that same level that I always talk about, because you know when they were cooking it, there was water on top, so it comes out to same level. How many can I consider? Young chapa mili.
Big bull on a million. Yes, about it. Eh, Nyanika.
It's done. Netiezi crayfish nwa. Mana ọ na-ekpo. No, if we're going to eat bumbu rice.
Okay, rice.
Put it in the cooler. The bottom pot is stuck together, so they're adding some oil from the stew to loosen it up. That's a good trick. Eh? Wow.
Abatana? This is your motor. Mommy and I can know.
Oh, mommy. Yeah. Oh, hand on a heck and no one in a bar. Oh, yeah, but also. Oh, yeah, but also, one good baby. Mommy will hand on a heck and no one. Oh, yeah, push it not a little motor. Draw her. Yeah, what can this in a funny ring, lock on the bottom pot? Come and scrape this one at it. Oh, when this not lock, I like. Come and eat the burnt part of the onion. No, I have rice. Come and eat bottom pot. Jollof rice done. They have another batch cooking over there. The other half bag cooking over there. After that, they will cook bitter leaf soup. I'll show that one in another video. Have you liked the video? Did you see me turning the rice? Did you see me? Have you liked this video yet? Bye bye. C'est portrait. 7 portrait. As your portrait.
Onion.